If you were thinking about long in Bitcoin, if you were thinking about a Trump pump on this election, you need to watch this video. This is for you. I am currently short Bitcoin and Ethereum. I told you I was going short in yesterday's video. I did not lie to you. I'm a man of my words. I went short in exactly the spot that we were talking about in yesterday's video. Right here, little liquidity sweep, and we took the trade. So we're sitting short. I'm going to show you my targets for the short trade. I'm going to show you something to watch out for that could lead to some more upside here. Maybe another good short entry for you, and another good short entry, smaller time frame. We're going to go examine this. I'm going to show you the big picture. I'm showing you my targets here for this short trade. We're going to look at this entire structure. This is a very important video, guys. SPX, regular markets are pumping quite nicely today. DXY is dumping. I'm going to show you something very important on the DXY chart as well. As you can see, this is the 10-hour time frame on DXY. We are resetting quite nicely. I'm going to show you back in history, every time we have had a look like this on the 10-hour time frame, what it meant for DXY. This could be very telling, guys. Stick around. As always, I'm an Elliott Wave trader. I trade Bitcoin and Ethereum only. I leverage trade the shit out of those two coins. If you want to see how I trade, hop in the free Discord. In the Learn channel, there's a free Elliott Wave course. You need to learn Elliott Wave to be able to trade these markets, guys. I promise you, it changed my trading career. And if you want to see exactly how I trade, it is all right here in the free course in the Learn section of the free Discord. That is pinned in the first comment down below. This is the sexiest looking Discord you will ever see, guys. I promise you, I put a great amount of effort into my Discord. Unlike most, this looks beautiful. Also follow me on Instagram. Pinned in the first comment down below. Get a glimpse into my life. Get some trading motivation, guys. And my face reveal will be here on Instagram. Once we hit 500 followers, we need 50 more followers, guys. Drop a follow and you will see my face on Instagram. Let's get into the charts, baby. Come on, come on. Okay, today during the live stream for premium members, we were short. Everyone was kind of trying to go long, and we just watched this thing absolutely dump. It was beautiful. It was a thing of beauty. I'm seeing a nice heavy wave down here with, usually you would see this absolutely crushed to the downside here. I'm hoping we do get some actual follow through. I am short from right here on Bitcoin. Ethereum, I am short from right here. And we're looking pretty right now, guys. As I said, this is trading. You win some, you lose some, as long as outcome is income. And we're looking to take this down far, baby, far. Now, looking at the overall structure for Bitcoin, and stay with me throughout the whole video, guys. This is important. Whether the elections come or go, does not matter. If you watch this tomorrow, good. It's going to still be valid. Because we need to look at DXY. It's important. And we need to go smaller time frame on Bitcoin. But right here on the zoomed out view, what I'm looking at on the daily time frame, we are bouncing off of this RSI trend line quite nicely here. A break of this RSI trend line on the daily, guys, is going to be pretty bad. It's going to be pretty bad for Bitcoin in the immediate term. I'm looking at down here, if we get a corrective shape down in here for an ending diagonal, bum, 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 bum. That is what I am going to start looking for longs at, an ending diagonal. Again, I'm sitting short, and I'm holding this short, guys. I'm holding this short. This is not a get in, get out type thing. Another look might be a flat where we come down impulsively down into here. Another look might be a bigger flat where we come down impulsively down into here. How this wave progresses will tell me and give me clues as to what the count is and where we're going. But I'm short for all three of those counts. No matter what one is at, it plays out, I am short for it. And guys, it goes without saying, there is bullish counts in play. I'm not saying we can't go up. I'm not saying we can't just spike the highs. I'm not saying we can't go sideways, come back up, and then go anything can happen, guys. No shit. But these are the three most probable counts in my opinion, in my eyes. And, I have the trades to back it up, as always, for you guys. You guys can hate on me as much as you want. The proof is right there for you. I don't know what else you want me to say. What you want me to say? You got nothing to say. I'm sorry. If you want to stay up to date, I do post swing alerts. I alerted everyone of this swing short on BTC. Yesterday we longed. I do Daily live streams Monday through Friday. They become the best part of this Discord by far. Yesterday we did a 4-hour live stream. Today we did like a 2.5. You know, 24/7 live Elliott Wave charts are here. My indicators are included. I'm in the chat. Take your request. Go to upgrade here when you're in the free Discord. Use the code JUNKIE for $25 off your first month of the premium membership. If you want to learn how to actually trade these markets, if you want to learn how it's actually done, you need to be in the premium Discord. The course will give you an overview, but there's nothing like watching someone do it and learning from an example and be able to ask all the questions that you need to be successful in this. Click the link right here in the free Discord. Use code JUNKIE for $25 off your first month. This code expires November 7th in 2 days. So if you want access to the premium Discord, you need to use this now. Okay. But I alerted everyone of this swing short. We hopped in it. All it took was one try. There was no re-entry. There was nothing. It was one try. It looked finished here. It looked finished on Ethereum. And we fired short up in here. We fired short up in here. Some people in the live fired short right here. Now, before we go smaller time frame, we're going to look at some targets quick. My first target, you know, I already took 10% profits off the table on both trades, and I've moved my stop loss to pretty much break even. So we're chilling in a winning trade, and that's why I'm comfortable with just taking this all the way down. Some people are like, oh, you're not taking profits along the way. I already took profits, and I'm chilling. 1-to-1 and the 786 are big targets for me, and this is in case this wants to be an ABC correction, something like that to the downside, in which we would have another hit to the upside like that. And this is the ending diagonal count, guys. So I will be taking profit at 65. I will be taking profit at 63.5. And then down here, some lower fib targets I will be taking profit on as well. Obviously, I'm ready to jump out of this trade at any given moment. If I see something I don't like, I will just leave the trade. And I will take these profits. I might exit the trade up here, though, after taking these profits, right? But if it looks dumpy and if I'm okay, I want to, you know, hold some in case, you know, we do get a more impulsive look to the downside, right? But these are my first kind of targets that I'm looking at right now, as of right now. Now, as we go smaller time frame in here, I'm going to show you some trades you can get into, and I'm going to show you what to watch out for in case this wants to take out this high again. There's a way it can do it. I'm going to show you that. First, let's look at DXY. The DXY, as we know, is DXY pumps, BTC dumps, and vice versa. Overall. Bitcoin's traded against the US dollar, therefore, when one does good, the other does not, naturally. So we're on the 10-hour time frame. As I said, guys, we've had this beautiful run up, really no pullbacks along the way. The 10-hour time frame put in a monstrous momentum wave. Right now, with this itty bitty teeny weeny pullback, we have reset RSI beautifully. Last time RSI was here, price was down here. We are now here. This is hidden bullish divergence on the chart, guys. I'm fully expecting a little more down maybe, but we're going to pump up out of here on DXY. We're going to pump up out of here, which would mean markets will dump up out of here, right? Every time we have had momentum like this on DXY, this is what it meant. I put a box every time we had a nice momentum wave. Boom, momentum wave, continuation to the upside, right? Boom, thick momentum wave, continuation to the upside. Now, I'm not talking about these little they're all over the place. I'm talking about a nice thick momentum wave, right? Which is what we have currently. And we'll go back, we'll go back and take another look at it. But just stick with me now. Look at these, Thick momentum, major continuation. Thick momentum, major continuation. Thick momentum, major continuation. It doesn't slow down and reverse until you get the spikes, right? Until you get the spikes. I think that's where I left. Oh, I got more. Thick momentum. This is really what we're looking like. We've probably retraced this much. You could see it messed around here a little more, but then we went up to it for another high. We went up for another high, the spike, and then we corrected and we still went up, right? There's continuation on the DXY chart. It goes without saying, DXY is looking to continue its trend to the upside. It might not be a massive spike, but there will be another hit to the highs. At least something like that, guys. At least something like that. Then we can reevaluate. So that would be bearish for the markets, guys. Bearish for the markets. Let's go smaller time frame on Bitcoin. Let's look at some possible trade entries leading into tonight, leading into tomorrow, and what you should be on the lookout for. If you guys are looking to leverage trade like I do, I use Blowfin. They are no KYC. It is what everyone uses for their no KYC exchange. You just sign up with your email. So easy. You can use it in any country. And you're ready to trade. If you want to give Blowfin a try. For the Chart Junkies community, we have the best campaign running right now out of all the Blowfin campaigns. I annoy them for this campaign, and we brought it back. Go try to find a better initial deposit bonus, because you will not. You can get up to $10,000 in initial deposits. In the middle here, $450 for a minimum deposit of $1,000. So that's a 50% gain on your $1,000 account just in your initial deposits. There's volume trading requirements, trading volume requirements that you need to meet as well. So read this. Pinned in the first comment down below is how you will enter this. It'll bring you, it'll say $10,000 bonus. It'll bring you to the page. Just sign up with your email and you are ready to go and get that bonus money. Blowfin, give them a try. Nothing but good things to say about them. Amazing, amazing, amazing exchange. Not shady, not weird. A lot of these exchanges, you're just like, damn, I don't even feel good using this shit. So let's look at some trade ideas here. We're on the hourly time frame, guys. Liquidity was taken here. Beautiful liquidity was taken. If we're looking at the heat maps, let's see. We're loading. Liquidity was taken. Beautiful liquidity was taken. Let's come down and snag this, right? Let's come down and snag it. There's liquidity up by all-time high. I'm not saying there's not, guys. There is. But as you can see, down at 61, there's more downside liquidity. Just from liquidations, and I guarantee you there's more stop loss liquidities to the downside. People are going to keep trying to long this. It's just, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. Here, let's do this. Let's see what our trades are doing. I gotta stay checking on this, guys. I gotta stay checking. So up about 8K in total for the day. We'll take it. Now, what are we looking for? Number one, I'm going to tell you right now, guys. Looking at the 4 hour, looking at the larger time frames, this looks very bearish to me. It looks very dumpy. I am not expecting another break of this high, but I will show you what to look out for. And I will show you, if you're looking to hop in on this dump, I would not suggest just firing off a short here. That's not how we trade. We sell high. We buy low. You know, my Ethereum trade that I closed out yesterday. Closed out this trade yesterday up $17,000 on Ethereum. Guys, the proof is in the pudding. And where did I sell Ethereum? At the low. I did it on the live yesterday. It's recorded. Everything is there. Sold or bought back my short right at the low here. Right at the low. And guess what? Shorted it right here again. And that's the current trade that we're in, guys. That's the current trade on Ethereum we're in. Maximizing profits here. Maximizing profits. I feel another hot streak coming. So you need to be in the premium Discord to take advantage of this hot streak. When I'm hot, I'm hot. Ask anybody. It is what it is. We all go on cold streaks every once in a while. But when I'm hot, I just get in a rhythm and I don't fucking stop, baby. I don't stop. I'll see you in premium Discord. Now, for this, what I'm looking out for another high is something like this in here. A WXY would do it for me. That's the best I can chop it up right now, guys. There's really not an impulsive, this, you know, you could call it an impulsive wave to the upside, maybe, with a correction. Oops. With a correction, and then have another impulse. But I would simply just look at this being a correction, maybe to the 1-to-1. You know, if we come up and take out this high, I'm looking at 71K. looking at 71K, and I'm going to short it again. Another one, 72.5K. I'm looking at these levels. I will short it again, depending on what this wave looks like. If it looks good to short up here at the 1-to-1, if I see some resistance, if I see some topping signals, I'm firing short, guys. I have no shame in my game. Already in a profitable trade here. Stop losses break even. I can't lose. I cannot lose. Now, if this doesn't break the high, let's zoom in. If this does not want to break the high, what do we have on our hands here, guys? I have a finished correction right here. Finished correction. And we're going to start cooking to the downside. How would we start cooking to the downside, you might ask? Where can I hop in, you might ask? I mean, there was plenty of good opportunities up here in the live stream today for premium members. We gave it to them. They are short with me, and I want to see everyone actually bank out on this. They deserve it. Boom. But I have a correction here. Guys, this could easily be another correction up here for more of a WXY style look. If we get a pullback here, if we get, if this is an ABC, if we get a move like this up in here, you better believe it's going to be a sexy little old short right at the 1-to-1 right here. 69,800 is going to be a nice short. I will alert everyone in premium Discord if it looks good at the time. But that's going to be a good opportunity right there to fire short. It's going to be a good opportunity right there to fire short. It's what I would be looking at. At the end of the day, you guys can do whatever the hell you want to do. I'm just a dude who makes some fucking bank trading. This is my life, baby, and I wouldn't change it for the world. I'll see you over in the premium Discord. I'll see you on Instagram. Drop a follow. I'll see you on Blowfin. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Trade safe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video because we do daily Bitcoin updates. Subscribe to the damn channel. Run it up for me. I love you. Goodbye.